I try to avoid gluten, roti.
If you combine modern science with ancient science or with Ayurveda, it's amazing.
I eat after 2 hours, every 2 hours. I start at 6 a.m. and I finish at 7. So every 2 hours I'm eating only.
So the first thing that you should have in the morning should be nutritional rich. It could be amla shot, followed by lots of nuts, and then your breakfast.
If you start putting it in the universe ना कि नहीं हो रहा तो होएगा ही नहीं.
तो यूनिवर्स भी यही आपको मैसेज भेजेगी वापस. Welcome to Unstoppable, the podcast where we unlock the secrets to holistic wellness, powered of course by Right Bite Max Protein. I'm your host as always, Rohit Bose Roy, and today's episode is all about embracing a balanced lifestyle through fitness, nutrition and mental well-being. Joining us are two very extraordinary individuals, two friends of mine, who are leading the charge in their respective fields. First up, Namami Agarwal, a renowned celebrity nutritionist and founder of Namami Life, who will share with us her insights on personalized nutrition and overall wellness. And of course, we have the very handsome Akshay Bindra, a multifaceted personality known for his journey in the entertainment industry. Without further ado, let's dive into this podcast. Welcome, guys. Welcome, Namami. Lovely to see you. Bindra Saab, pleasure to have both of you. I have known you guys briefly over the period of the last year or so.
Yes.
And I'm extremely excited to have both of you because this podcast, as you know, is about overall wellness. So it's not just about working out. It's about nutrition, working out. It's about how we can inspire the youth to kind of lead a balanced lifestyle. मेरा ये मानना है अक्षय, तुमसे शुरू करते हैं. मेरा ये मानना है कि अगर जिंदगी अच्छी तरह से जीनी है, सब कुछ करना है, तो उसके लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ती है.
बहुत.
हाँ, क्योंकि there are several things that the youngsters are into nowadays.
Yeah.
Most of it is made into rocket science on Instagram. Instagram पे जाके इतना information है. मैं तुमसे शुरू करना चाहता हूँ कि तुम्हारी जो workout strategy है, you have a very flourishing catering business, you have a very flourishing acting career. How do you balance both, and how do you see nutrition coming into your everyday life and vice versa?
I think nutrition as first, what I believe is that you are what your gut is.
नमामी ये सोच रही है कि ये तो मेरा सवाल था. ये तो सर ने किसी और को पूछ लिया. मैं क्या जवाब दूंगी? I'll come back to you. Don't worry. This podcast is all about freewheeling questions.
So I believe you are what your gut is. अगर आपका gut healthy है, तो everything falls in place. You feel good, you sleep well, you look good, you fit into right clothes. आपका thought process clean रहता है, sharp रहता है. So it's like a circle. So first comes nutrition always. फिर आपकी workout वगैरह सब खुद होता है. And it does, incorporate like मेरी shoot हो या catering business हो या anywhere, I have to monitor my diet.
Right.
It cannot go without that. I mean, sometimes I can eat junk like we did.
Of course, we do. So that brings me to your catering business. But there, I mean, do you serve like only health food? क्योंकि health food का एक अलग ही market है, लेकिन
catering में नहीं हो सकता.
Catering में नहीं
हो सकता. People want to eat fried items. and caterers do serve fried items more ताकि client का पेट भर जाए.
Oh really? Oh, that's a secret we didn't know.
Yeah.
Namami, we'll come to you. I know you're itching to tell us about nutrition and all because that's her mainstay. Your journey from being a nutritionist now to have started your own venture, I didn't know that, Namami Life.
Yeah.
Tell us a little more about that. And how did you venture into, you're pretty young, as we can all see. How did it all start?
So honestly, it's a very funny story.
Oh, we'd love to hear that.
I was not good in academics at all.
Oh,
And
nice. Good to hear.
I was like, what do I do after my 12th? What do I do after my 12th? So my mother and my sister is like, why didn't you start like look into this course and do something. I was like, okay, let me just do BSc. Let's see where do I go. And when I started, I built my interest. Then worked in hospitals after my masters, and then
Oh, you were not good in studies and you did your master's?
my masters. Imagine.
Wow.
And honestly, people 2 years back, I used to people like, what have you done? I was like, I've done masters in nutrition. Oh, there is a course in nutrition. So people didn't know about it. Yeah. So I was in hospitals, and then I started working with this dietitian, and I love traveling. I was traveling. I extended my travel for 15 days and I got fired. And that's when I was like, what do I do now? Okay, let me just start my own venture. That's when the market
It was that simple and wow.
No, so I started doing freelancing, and then the motivation that you get after you see good results.
So how many years have you been doing this? Because I've been following your Instagram for the last 1 year or so. But
I started when I was 23.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been.
No, I wouldn't know how many years back that was because I don't know how old you are right now, and I wouldn't ask you that.
It's been 8-9 years. 2016, I started with Namami Life.
Does she look 31?
32.
I thought you were 21,
what you
22.
eat.
My God, yeah. Now this is something you need to see. Like you were discussing how, everything starts from...
Yeah, you are what you.
Tell us more about it, yeah. I'm really interested because I face a lot of issues, not only for my vanity, but I've faced a lot of issues when it comes to my gut. I used to have IBS.
Yeah.
And I remember asking you something on your Instagram post, and I've been trying to follow the best as I can. But what are your, say, like top 3 कि ये nutrition में follow करना चाहिए on a daily basis?
Honestly, it's the basic funda that we need to follow. Gut, if you ask me specific to the gut, I would say, if we combine modern science with ancient science or with Ayurveda, it's amazing. Because modern science, we have diagnostic centers, we have solution for all the problems. And Ayurveda, we generally see things in a way wherein, we should scrub the condition right from the beginning so that the last stage does not come. So if you combine both the things together, that should be the approach, to combine both the things together.
Let me rephrase my question so that, people who are watching, keep it simple for them. Tell me in very layman's language, the top 3 things you must do for your gut. I got about modern science and all that.
No, but my top 3 things is chew your food, eat slowly, include a lot of probiotics and prebiotics in your diet.
Maslan, give me an example.
Say normal खाने का चीज like buttermilk, दही, रायता हो गया. Probiotic. And prebiotic is garlic, onions, which Indians would generally have.
Right?
Yeah.
And the third thing is?
And the third thing is that sleep properly and don't stress too much, because the moment if you have more stress, see, everything is linked together. If you're stressed, you do not sleep properly, your diet goes for a toss, your physical activity goes for a toss, and it's a vicious cycle. It goes on and on and on and on and on. And that's when, and that's when you face problems, say IBS, you face problems, say reflux, or maybe bloating issues. So
for the longest time, obviously when you're an actor and you're growing up and you're trying to make it big, you're almost out all the time, right? And we never gave any credence to sleep. And now, my trainers tell me, sir, the main thing in your arsenal is sleep, because that leads to recovery.
Correct.
So you guys, even if you party hard, make sure that you sleep. Because we spoke about mental health. I'm going to come to you, Akshay. You're an actor. You're handling a very successful catering business. It is tough to do both. What is your mantra when it comes to mental resilience? Struggle to chalti rehti hai. I know I've been here for 30 years, and even if you have hits behind you, the struggle to get the right role, to be on the right path, to be in the right camps, it's always on. Similarly with the catering business, what is your mantra for keeping yourself grounded and solid when it comes to your mental health?
Mental health, again, working out gives me a lot of relief. Working out. If I don't sweat it out, then I'm like on my toes कि अब क्या हुआ, anxiety हो रही है. So मेरे लिए workout बहुत ज़रूरी है. At least half an hour of skipping at least, minimum.
मतलब रोज करते ही हो.
मतलब करना ही करना.
That helps you in terms of your mental strength?
Yeah, it does. And then again, I wake up at 4 a.m. every day.
Every day?
Every day. Wow. Since the past 4 years. I sleep at 10:30. Like we were talking about that sleep is important. 11 to 3 is the recovery phase. Recovery phase of the body. अगर आप 11 to 3 अब सो रहे हो, so you're absolutely fine. No fatigue, no joint pain, no nothing. जितना भी आप workout कर लो. I work out 4 hours a day. Morning I work out my gymming, and शाम को I do MMA, alternate day with dancing. So my body is fatigued.
And your still recovery is superb?
Quick.
With that much of...
And my food...
And you take a nap in the day?
Half an hour.
Half an hour.
Because more than that, बड़ा lethargic हो जाता है.
I have to pause you here because I'm not used to make fun of him, but I used to wonder why Mark Wahlberg gets up at 4 o'clock every morning and does his routine, and by 6 o'clock his day is over, and then by 11 he's had his dinner. Wow. He calls 11:30 dinner. And now I realize why. So is this a well-known fact, Navami?
It is a way of life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, this is
But you're sleeping from 11 to 3. That's just 4-5 hours of sleep, really.
minimum 11
Minimum.
to 3. So by 10:30 I sleep to 4:15, 4:30. So that's good. Good.
That's
amount
good
of
enough.
sleep. Yeah.
And you don't ever feel fatigued in the day and with
No.
your workouts and all of that?
Food also. What I usually don't. I try to avoid gluten. Roti. That is what I avoid in my.
Why is that? Are you gluten? Because these are the myths I'm trying to bring.
God,
I am not-
wait to like talk.
Yes, yes. No, I also want to ask him. I mean, why have you
See,
avoided
gluten causes inflammation in the body. Does it?
Not to everyone.
To some extent.
Not to everyone.
To some
Unless
extent.
you are gluten intolerant.
No, I'm नहीं वो नहीं है मेरे को. But still, and it causes a little bloating also. That's all. मैं इसलिए छोड़ दिया. I eat layman's आटा, बाजरा, ज्वार mix करके.
हाँ, वो ठीक है.
Lot of fiber, थोड़ा बहुत प्रोटीन है. कार्ब कंटेंट थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, चलेगा. मैं उसको कहीं ना कहीं बैलेंस कर लूँ.
यार इस शो पे ना हम लोग अक्सर ये भी कोशिश करते हैं कि बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं बोलते हैं हम ये नहीं खाते, हम डेयरी नहीं खाते, हम अरे भाई तुम ग्लूटेन इंटॉलरेंट हो तो वीट मत खाओ. आई थिंक शी इज द राइट पर्सन टू काइंड ऑफ हो तो दूध मत पियो. लेकिन अगर आप में वो इंटॉलरेंस है ही नहीं, अगर आप टॉलरेट कर सकते हैं तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
But see, for an actor, what I'm normal बंदा खाए. But for an actor हमें चाहिए 8 packs. Like होता है ना कि वो
तो
थोड़ा.
तुमको लगता है कि वीट खाने से
मतलब आ जाएंगे नहीं खाने
आई थिंक यू शुड ब्रेक दिस मिथ. कम ऑन नवाब.
मेरे आज
गिव इट टू
मैंने
अक्षय.
रोटी चावल छोड़ के I've just not चावल I eat but
अब तो यू हैव बाजरा ज्वार वो सब खाते हो.
रोट चावल भी खाता हूँ बट मैंने रोटी छोड़ रखी थी एंड काफी मेरे को फर्क पड़ता है. पड़ता है.
Honestly, each to its own. If it suits your body,
Yeah.
please go ahead and do it. But if it does not, because honestly, social media, Instagram is filled with knowledge. People will give you information, but will not give you proper knowledge about it. So, say gluten again. Someone who's celiac disease or gluten intolerant can actually avoid gluten, but then if it suits you, please go ahead, have it. I've been having it. Everyone's having it, but if it does
Are
not
there any
suit you,
tests that you can do specific to test your gluten intolerance?
There's a gluten
There's
intolerance.
have you got that done ever?
No.
You've not
And
got
there's
done, but you
food
personally
allergy
feel
test.
that you don't.
चाहे अगर मैं रोटी खा लूँ बट मैं मैदा तो बिल्कुल अवॉइड करता हूँ.
100%.
मैदा में जाके जम जाता है ना.
Oh, the maida is not.
It's not good.
But just be an active person to plan your meal and
Yeah.
to make sure that whatever you put on your plate, you know what you're putting on your plate.
Right.
Because no matter X persons asked you, oh, this avocado is amazing for me.
Oh,
or
that's another thing.
Bajra is amazing
Oh.
for me. Or I have
Suddenly
Manju
everybody
Agarwal
into
is telling
avocados.
you, arey gluten, go gluten intolerance, go dairy free. Or someone else, some other nutritionist is telling you, but you know your body better.
You do this personalized nutrition for a lot
I
of
do.
people, right? I want to ask you, now since you are 23 almost, what is your personal nutrition plan?
23?
Yeah, I'm on 32.
Oh, yeah. No, but honestly,
Because, a lot of people who are watching the show, there's so much of information and there's so much of
Yes,
rocket science made out of even nutrition.
100%.
Like, I see these, obviously I follow a lot of fitness trainers, right? Everybody has a different set of exercise for the same muscles.
Same muscle.
Because, you want to
Yeah.
see variations.
Yeah.
But that's counterproductive, according to me, when it comes to nutrition.
Yeah.
Because there's no rocket science in good nutrition.
There
right?
is no
So tell us about the basics of good nutrition.
there is,
Like, what does your
yeah.
plate look like?
So there's no one diet that fits all. Every body type is different. Every person's requirement is different. Every person's nutritional requirement is different. I'll give you my example, my client's example. There was this client of mine and she was obsessed with K-dramas and she wanted to look a certain way.
You mean a Korean drama?
Yeah. And their body type is different, their eating pattern is different, their lifestyle is different, the skin texture is different. You cannot expect Indian person to have the same,
like that. Yeah,
to look like
obviously,
that,
yeah.
to look like that. So, and again, there was another client of mine who was like, she came and she took the diet plan and she gave it to her mother to follow the same diet plan. It does not look like that.
ये Indian concept है कि one pay one free.
पैसे बच जाएंगे.
But it does not work like that.
It doesn't.
Every body type is different. The health condition is different. Maybe you have PCOS. Maybe your mother suffering from diabetes. If someone who is diabetic cannot follow intermittent fasting.
Oh, cannot?
Cannot, because the person needs to eat something or the other after every 2 hours. so that the insulin spikes.
No, since you
Maybe.
spoke about this, I have my very first nutrition, who's also a dear friend of mine. She had currently I'm on intermittent forever, but it works for me. Like I don't know why it works for me. It works for me.
Yeah.
And anyway, I don't feel hungry in the morning. And they used to say that king's breakfast. Now that myth has kind of completely been broken.
Yeah.
It's not necessary. So that's another thing that you need to know. I want to know about this eating every 2-3 hours. Is it really good for your body, or is it also according to body type?
Again, body to body type. For me, if you ask me, I'm someone who needs something to eat in the morning. Otherwise, I'll become very cranky and agitated. But with you, you can test it out for yourself by not eating. Or maybe, you could be someone who's not eating, who wakes up and does not eat for another 3 hours. Like, you're good to go. The energy levels are fine.
Yeah.
You are not fatigued. It all depends on body to body. For me, I become very cranky.
No, I can go for 2-3 hours. Like till now, I've not had anything other than black coffee. I'm fine. My energy levels are great. What I'm asking you is that does this fueling your body with some kind of food every 2-3 hours help your metabolic rate?
It does.
It does.
It does. But again, it depends on body to body, like I mentioned. Like you did not eat since morning, but you're still doing your work. You
मेरे अंदर तो कुछ ज़्यादा extra energy नहीं।
Yeah, but then still, I feel like if you eat after every 2 hours, this insulin spike will be better.
Will be better.
Will be better. I mean, there will be no highs and lows in your insulin spike. B, you will be more energetic. By every 2 hours, I also mean do not have like large meals. Have small meals. Like you don't have to have like roti and sabzi after every 2 hours. It could be like fillers, maybe lemon water, maybe buttermilk, or maybe, yogurt,
that
mixed seeds, like small, like snack.
Alkaline water.
Alkaline.
Akshay is dying to talk about it. So now
We can talk about
I'm really
alkaline
sorry, I have to pause you. Akshay, bolo yaar. What are your thoughts on? I have called you to, you're the well-built guy who's going to be talking
अभी
about
दिख नहीं रहा ना,
fitness
क्या
and-
ले रही है?
हाँ, तो किसने बोला था इतने लंबे कपड़े पहन के आओ यार? हाँ? मैंने सोचा था घर पे आते हो secret meal पहन के. Okay, what are your thoughts? Because you've been itching to talk about nutrition.
No,
and
she's
balance.
right about eating.
No, she has to be right. She studied nutrition.
Yeah. I eat after 2 hours, every 2 hours. I start at 6 a.m. and I finish at 7. So every 2 hours I'm eating only.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Besides the time I'm working out.
Okay, so tell me about your diet. Come, let's find out what a celebrity diet is like.
Yeah.
My diet in the morning, at first meal is 6:30 a.m., which is soaked. Everything is soaked. Your cranberries, blueberries, raspberries.
Okay.
Macronutrients, very good for your skin and
Yeah.
everything. All soaked.
Okay.
Almonds, walnuts.
I'm sorry, he's doing your job. I don't know why, but let's get it.
Dates.
हाँ, सुनते
It's
चल.
nice to hear.
and apricot. This is all soaked.
Okay.
And this is
overnight soak.
overnight soaked.
This is all you have in the morning. The first
This is almost 500 calories.
500 calories.
Yeah. 8, 9 of each.
Okay.
So that's like good 500-600 calories.
Okay. Next meal is
Next meal is eggs. About 4-5 eggs and 1 toast. Then
and you have full eggs.
You
Again,
count
another
your
thing I
calories?
wanted to ask.
yeah, I weigh my.
See, this is like people go mad counting the calories. Every meal you're counting your calories.
I have an app.
Why?
No, because
Why?
for a certain body type,
This question coming from a nutritionist is something that you should think about. Why?
No, it's nice to count calories, but
Why?
But not
because if I have a project, I want a certain body type. मेरे को इतना कैलोरी डेफिसिट करना है, इतना प्रोटीन चाहिए. अब 2000 में मुझे 2000 कैलोरी डाइट में I want 200 grams of protein, I want 150 grams of carbs and 50 grams of fat. So I have to calculate, right? Certain body type for a
I agree,
project.
I agree.
वो करना ही पड़ेगा. जब नहीं होता तो मैं खा लेता
खा
हूँ.
लेता
Then I'm
हूँ.
lean.
थोड़ा
तब
अंदाजा भी हो जाता है.
तो वो वेइंग स्केल में साइड में रख देता हूँ कुछ दिन. That's all. ऐसा नहीं
वो
है.
तो हमारा काम है ना काउंट करना हम पे छोड़ दो.
Basically, she's saying that don't take our jobs away.
But
no,
I
no,
know
no,
that job, no.
It's not about that. It's just that if
Why
you're
were you-
good at something, just do that.
But he's good at
He's
that.
good. I don't mind him counting calories. Just that don't go mad. Like I've seen people around me
Okay, don't
in
make
my
it wrong,
family.
sir.
Yeah.
They're always counting calories. Breakfast में अरे इतना खा लिया मैं तो और खा ही नहीं सकता because मेरा तो इतना ही खाना था.
Yeah, I think that's
That people go mad with it.
Actors are.
No, which is fine. It's in your field. Your field requires it.
yeah.
Which is, you have to do it, so you should do it. But not everyone who's like normal layman person
They
is
can't.
counting the
They
calorie
shouldn't.
and like people go mad counting the calories.
yeah.
They don't.
When you
understand.
started, even though you're obviously educated in nutrition, didn't you ever count your calories?
I did. I've never counted
Really?
my calories. I've never counted my calories.
But when you give a diet to someone,
Of course
is
I
that
have to.
you have to
Of course I
calculate
have
the So see, वो काम मैं खुद कर रहा हूँ ना.
और क्या?
आपका काम मैं खुद कर रहा हूँ.
उसको आता है.
Which is nice. I'm just saying, like, you know, for a normal person who's not into this industry, who's just doing his
So basically, you're not advocating going really अच्छा ये 50 ग्राम ये 60 ग्राम ऐसा नहीं करना.
I feel like, you know,
Is it
people
counterproductive?
but people spoil the relation with the food. This
should
way, you
enjoy
just
what
spoil your relation with the food. I mean, I just want people to enjoy what you eat.
I never thought that a nutritionist is going to say something like that, but yeah,
Yeah.
very honest of you because I also, you know, my mother used to say कि just after you've eaten, don't say अरे यार बहुत खा लिया.
बहुत खा लिया.
अब जो तुमने खा लिया वो खा लिया, वो चला गया, हो गया.
You can't undo.
You know, yeah, you can't undo it. So just enjoy it. तो उसको उनकी भाषा में कहते थे आंख को लगता है.
You know, before this started, I was just, you remember I was talking to you and I was like, I don't work out to burn or look a certain way. I work out to
eat.
So I can enjoy my meal.
Correct. Yeah, that's how we started the conversation. That if you want to live a nice, healthy, long life and want to enjoy it, then you know you have to work hard at it.
Yeah.
But my question to you was something completely different before we got waylaid and went into weighing machines, weighing machines of a different kind. There is a very definite connection between food and mental health. Are you aware of that? And does eating a certain amount of food or certain kind of food translate into you a happier Akshay Bindra? It's coming to you.
See, people think that oh shit मैं depressed हूँ, मेरा ये breakup हो गया, मैं आइसक्रीम खा लेता हूँ, पिज़्ज़ा खा लेता हूँ. But वो करता क्या है ना, वो उस टाइम आपको सही कर देगा. You'll find that time momentary, but later on वो guilt trip में आता है and then you're like shit नहीं. So I believe even if you're upset or do anything, just eat food, correct food, and you will be sane. That's all I believe in.
You know,
right?
I hate to disagree with my guests, but I find from personal experience that if I'm for a certain, I'm not the kind of guy who feels very low. You've known me for a while. I'm always, but there are times when I'm thinking, I'm in a thought where maybe I can't find direction. I'm stuck in a script, something that I'm writing, and I feel, and I'm being genuine, if I order Kesar Rasmalai from Makhan Bhog and have those two pieces, I swear on God, anything that's sacred to me, I feel that the major weight has lifted from my head. But let me finish. You had your turn. Let me finish. But अच्छा मेरे को लगा था ये workout के बारे में बात है. He's so intense in nutrition. So I feel, so Nawami, again, this is a question say from both of us. Yeah. He has a particular point of view, which I respect. Yeah. This is something I've experienced, and it's just this one thing.
It's true.
What is the connection?
So, you know, food, I'll give a very good example of this. Our body is a system. Take it as a car. If you put good fuel in your car, it's going to give you good mileage or average for that matter. Same way, if you put good food in your body is going to give you a lot of positivity, good thoughts, happy. You know, we feel like it's just that, you know, we have linked food with emotions too much. Too much. Oh, I'm so happy. Come, let's celebrate. Let's go for this dinner. But we never say, oh, I'm too sad today. Let's just go for pizza. I'm too sad today. Oh, chalo, aaj gaadi mein petrol bharwate hain. We never say that, right?
Always good.
So we have linked food with our emotions. So that's why I keep saying mental health. Why? Again, the calorie point. If we keep counting the calorie, our mental health is going to go for a toss.
I agree
if we keep thinking, "Arey, aaj
although I agree with him that you have to do it to a certain level, but I agree with you that don't get too deep into all these things. Eventually, it's
we have linked our emotions way too much with food, so which is not correct. I mean, if we eat mindfully, if we know like, "Arey, aaj humne ye khaya hai," and also it's okay to have guilt-free food as well. Like if you have rasmalai, which is okay to have, but don't feel guilty about it. कि आज मैंने rasmalai खा ली.
No, I never feel guilty about rasmalai.
But
that's the only thing I don't.
Do feel guilty कि आज मैंने ये खा लिया. अरे सुबह से शाम तक मैंने पूरा डाइट किया, रात को आकर के.
हाँ, ये मुझे होता है कभी-कभी. ये जो आपने exactly you've hit it on the head.
Yeah.
And I tell my wife that please अगर मिठाई है घर में तो मुझे मत दिखाना. क्योंकि मेरा वो will power नहीं है.
Correct.
अगर मेरे सामने कोई मिठाई दे देता है, बाकी सारी चीजें मना कर सकता हूँ. अभी भी कोई लाके दे दे रसमलाई खा लूँगा.
Yeah.
But my question was slightly different. Like he said, eat well. You are saying eat well. Eating a rasmalai is not eating well.
No, but it's okay.
It's full of sugar and milk.
See, my funda is eat everything and then achieve your target. Okay. The moment you feel like you are restricted, you're following a diet and you're not enjoying it, you cannot eat a particular food item,
You end up
it's
cheating
never
also,
sustainable. It's never sustainable. If you include thoda in your diet from each and every food group, I'm not talking about carbs or protein here, maybe meetha as well. If you go out, you indulge. But of course, the portion control is the key.
Is important, yeah.
It's the key. So it's not like you have to restrict yourself. You enjoy eating everything, but do not feel guilty about it because there is always something else that you can do.
Correct.
The
And you have to just burn it off then.
Yeah.
So you actually, this was my next question. Have you answered it? And I have to come back to you. And please don't talk about nutrition, Akshay, or I'll just cut the camera. Tell me about your workout routine. Because you started saying that I work out twice in a day and I work out 4 hours in a day. This episode is also about what you do, you know, because jitne bhi budding young actors hain ya jo bhi normal log bhi hain who are starting on this fitness path, a lot of people, like I keep repeating this, obviously you guys are on Instagram, you've seen so much of crap going around.
Yeah.
Break it down for me. I'm a layman. I want to know what Akshay Bindra does for those 4 hours.
He's a liver. He lives.
और ही तुम नहीं होते हुए भी तुम कहीं ना कहीं से आ जाते हो. I'm a liver.
See,
I'm a giver. So my t-shirt says I'm a giver. Yeah.
So I think if someone is starting out to work out, they should definitely incorporate little cardio, little strength training, little conditioning, and follow a little diet. Don't go mad about it again.
Right.
If you have a goal, आपका गोल है कि आपको इतना वेट कम करना है या एब्स बनाने, तो उसके हिसाब से वर्कआउट होगा. What I do is I do single body part every day. I do about
Single body part every day.
Yeah, because I'm doing a lot of cardio also in the evening.
Right.
Where I'm burning at least 1200 to 1500 calories in the evening.
So say Monday you're doing back. What kind of cardio do in the evening?
Like Monday I have dance. So उसमें 1 घंटा dance होता है. So again 800 to 1000 calories are burned.
800 calories you're burning in 1 hour of dance.
Intense dance, no?
Mind blowing, yeah.
Yeah. And if Tuesday is my chest, so Tuesday I have MMA. उसमें 1500 calories हो जाता है.
Correct.
So, and I do cardio after 8 hours because
You're damn lucky, huh? Because I dance around my wife all day long. I don't lose any calories. Just my mind. Continue. Okay, so that's your thing. And something that I learned recently, which I used to do wrong when I come to the club. And my trainer told me that, first he said, okay, sir, don't do it. And of course, they take a while because I've been working out for 25 years myself. So they also take a while to kind of tell you, okay, sir, this is wrong. Yeah. And I used to do cardio and strength together. And I used to feel it worked for me because I used to go and I used to run for an hour and then I used to work out for an hour. And he said, sir, there is a reason you're not enjoying the gains of what you're doing because you're doing two completely different thoughts in one. You're trying to couple it. That's when I realized that I should break it up. And then I started doing empty stomach cardio, which really helped me. And then evening I used to go and work out. Now I've done the reverse. I want to ask you, is this okay? Can I do empty stomach workout and then do cardio in the evening?
Empty stomach workout is little risky because energy कम है ना, insulin spike नहीं हुआ आपका.
No, I'll tell you what.
Insulin
There's a
spike
long,
नहीं हुआ.
so you sleep for 8 hours. There's a long gap. You've not eaten anything.
Yeah.
So in the morning, if you work out without eating anything, your insulin might just go very down, and you'll feel low on energy, and you won't be able to give your 100%.
You might get dizzy.
You might get dizzy.
But supposing those things are not happening.
But like nuts, like he has it in the morning, you can just work out after your nuts. After having nuts, you don't have to have meal
Or
like
you go
breakfast.
So tell me like a smart snack to have before working out.
Honestly, anar is the best.
Anar?
Yeah, it's a great pre-workout snack.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate is the best.
It's a heaven's
great-
fruit, they call it.
Yeah.
Yeah, तुम्हारे चक्कर में I didn't ask her only what the meal should look like. So breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner. 5 meals
Yeah.
if somebody has to have. Take me for example, with my body type, more or less you know how active I am. What would you recommend if I am a vegetarian? A lot of people ask me, in fact, people have messaged me after watching a couple of episodes previously that for vegetarians, Yash Birla was on my show, he's a vegetarian and he looks like a bull.
Yeah.
And there is enough protein. I am asking you for myself, I've turned vegetarian.
Yeah.
Tell me these 5 meals.
So the first meal that you wake up in the morning should be nutritional rich. It shouldn't be caffeine. When we wake up in the morning and
my
you throw in
God.
caffeine and fried food, body is like, hey, wait a second, I've just got up. I need a second. Like it's like someone screaming at you in the morning. Your body starts acting like that. So the first thing that you should have in the morning should be nutritional rich. It could be amla shot, followed by lots of nuts, and then your breakfast.
Any particular nuts or
Mix of everything.
Mix of everything.
Mix of everything.
trail mix is fine?
Trail mix is
And
fine, but
you say
not the
then
ready-made one.
breakfast
Not-
meaning what?
Breakfast you can have.
So this is not breakfast.
No, this is not. This is the early morning snack.
Early.
After
So at the moment you
your
wake up to give
Yeah.
some kind of fuel. Okay, got it. So that's the first
And then
kind.
you can go hit your workout. Like you said, you go for your cardio in the morning and then you go hit your workout, cardio. Come back, have your breakfast. You can have idli, dosa, sambar.
Does it
coconut
have enough
chutney.
protein? Because what do you think? This idli, dosa,
Honestly,
sambar?
Idli and dosa if made out of dal is a great fermented food.
Sambar.
Okay.
It's great for your gut. Coconut mein dal, protein hai.
Okay.
So, Indian food in general, we say now we need 5 food groups, carbs, protein, vitamins, minerals, and fat. So, your main meals should contain all these 5 food groups. अब हम building बनाएंगे, construction कर रहे हैं. We need a strong base. Strong base is your carbs. We need like a good energy to like
लोग carbs
make
क्यों
it.
छोड़ देते हैं when they want to lose weight?
And I'll come to that. And then we need like bricks to stand, make it stand. That's your protein. We need cement to hold the bricks together. That's your fat. We need paints and windows to make it look beautiful. Vitamins and minerals. So these 5 food groups should be there in your main meal.
In your main meal.
In your main meals. Mid meals can be protein rich to make sure, protein and fiber rich to make sure you meet the requirement of protein. Generally, the requirement is 0.8 to 1 grams per kg body weight, but it depends how
He probably
But
takes
on your
what,
training.
double.
But that's to maintain a body
to
weight.
Maintain. If you want to build, it
It's
has to be about
double.
1.5.
It's for the sedentary lifestyle, 0.8 to 1
This is the
gram.
basic requirement.
Basic
But for us, we need about 140 to 160.
But
grams
in
of
basic
protein.
requirement भी most
Very
of the
करती
people नहीं करते पूरा.
But
अपनी-
honestly,
अपनी diet
every Indian diet is so
आप ना
good.
डाइग्रेस कर देते हो. आपसे सवाल पूछा था मैंने कि मुझे 5 मील बताओ.
मैं अभी आ रही हूँ
Rest, हाँ,
मैं
वापस
अभी
आओ.
आ रही हूँ.
Don't distract her.
So,
I'll come back to you. Don't worry. इसका आज हाँ.
लंबा चलेगा.
So Indian
नहीं मैं सोच रहा हूँ वापस जाते जाते तेरे को अपनी गाड़ी में बिठा लूँ तो खाने के बारे में बात करते रहे. हाँ.
So our Indian meals are actually very good. It has all the 5. It contains all the 5 food group. It's not less in protein. It's not more in protein.
Okay, so I got nuts and I got amla shot in the
Amla
morning.
shot in the morning.
I
You
got
can have
breakfast
aloe
of
vera shot as well.
aloe vera shot. Then I got breakfast of idli, sambar. Sometimes can you do overnight oats?
पोहा यार.
Sprouts,
Overnight oats.
overnight soaked oats with lots of seeds
And you add
yogurt.
eggs to this meal?
You can add eggs.
Add eggs to this meal
But
for
you're
an extra.
vegetarian, right?
Eggs is vegetarian.
Oh, vegetarian.
Pescatarian.
Okay, so then third meal would be lunch or a
Or
snack?
meal will, it would be your snack in between your lunch
Lunch and your breakfast.
breakfast.
Which would be what?
It could be your coconut water with sabza seed, great for your gut again.
What seed?
Sabja.
Sabja seed.
So it's the
tulsi
replacement. It's the replacement for chia seed basically.
Okay.
Again, we need to talk about this, like a lot of foreign food items like quinoa, chia, avocados.
We don't need that,
We don't need that because India, there's so much food items available. अपने आप में that people don't notice only. Amaranth, there is coconut, which
घर की
is
मुर्गी
great.
दाल
घर की मुर्गी दाल
और वो
बराबर.
मिलेट्स कहीं पे भी ग्रो सकता है.
कहीं पे भी हो सकता
Any temperature, anywhere in.
You know, I must say, Akshay, I'm very impressed because I didn't think that you know so much about nutrition. Of course, I knew you would be adept at personal nutrition, but
Yeah.
तुम्हारी enthusiasm देख के मैं भी charge हो गया हूँ. हाँ. So that was the fourth meal that a lunch would
And
be.
then lunch would be a normal dal, chawal, sabzi and raita. Or you
simple,
can
yeah,
switch.
it's so simple.
Or you can switch between roti. Again, if you're gluten
Again,
intolerant, if you want to include like varieties in your diet, switch between wheat, bajra, jawar. Again.
So
it's
I
all
had rotis
season to
made of
season.
wheat called kapli, which is called vintage ancient wheat.
Yeah. So,
That mixed with bajra, kapli.
but bajra is a winter grain.
Bajra, yeah, correct.
So
Bajra
we
is
generally
very-
have it during
Right.
winter time.
So
you
jawar
can have
and
jawar,
nachni.
ragi, amaranth,
Nachni.
rajgira.
Amaranth.
Yeah. And
And
to
I will
add
tell
more
you a
protein,
secret
you can
here.
add
Even I
sattu
don't
as well.
eat wheat because I also feel bloating, but I am not gluten intolerant. So I was
Even I'm
waiting
not.
to come here to ask.
But honestly, if you have inflammation, if you feel like, you know,
I
wheat
feel
is not
slightly
suiting
bloated
you,
after if I have, 2-3 rotis. If I have rice, I'm fine.
so skip. So that means wheat is not suiting you. I'm not against wheat or I'm not pro wheat. If it's not suiting,
It not does, yeah.
again, you know, it all. You know your body better.
So
You
basically,
would
we just
feel-
grilled you for no reason. Okay, sorry. So sorry. Now I digress. So that was your fourth is your lunch,
Yeah.
and after that
And
another
then-
snack.
Snack can be your kala chana chaat, high in protein.
Sprouts, yeah.
Your sprouts, your
Meetha aloo.
chola
Meetha aloo.
tikki.
Meetha is also good.
That's a carb, yeah.
But 50 grams
is a
carb,
carb.
it's good fiber. It is
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Sweet potato is amazing.
Complex
You can
carbs.
add chola in it to make it high protein.
Nimbu chaat masala, simple.
Sorry, tera sara garbage. I think you guys should drive back to it. Okay, what's your last dinner then?
And dinner, honestly, dinner should be light. Have it.
Can you believe one of my guests is hitting on other guests on the show? Lovely, yaar. What a charming man. Huh?
Try to finish a dinner by 7 p.m.
Oh, well, I try to do it by 8 because...
Which is good. Which is good. It depends on your routine as well. But try to finish a dinner before, ancient, again,
This
coming
is
back
sunset
to
se pehle.
sunset and sunrise ka time they used to follow.
yes.
And the physical activity was amazing. They used to do everything by themselves. Ghar pe pocha,
Of course.
everything they used to do themselves. So,
That was functional from them. Functional training क्या होती है? वही तो होता है.
So,
And which was what? So you didn't finish the last meal. What?
dal chila you can have eggs at night with lots of fiber along with it.
I have one question about dinner. Everybody says कि weight lose करना है तो dinner में से carb निकाल दो. उसका क्या connection है? Or is it true?
Not really, but if you manage your full day, again, calorie count, huh?
So it basically it comes down to the calorie
count.
This
So-
percentage of...
yeah.
Okay.
The basic funda is if you have to have 2,000 calories, you deduct 300 calories to lose weight. But losing weight is not always the answer. It's the internal health that matters more. How you feel? Do you feel more energetic after following something? Do you feel like you can run all your errands for today?
So there is no, this is a myth that you stop eating carbs at night and you'll...
Of course.
It's a myth?
We do eat carbs. I eat roti sabzi at night. I eat churi at night.
We cannot go on zero carbs because
Cannot.
even...
No, I'm talking only about dinner.
No, when I'm saying, people say ना मैं carbs खा ही नहीं रहा रात को. एक almond में भी carb होता है. तो zero carbs तो कभी जा ही नहीं सकता. हो ही नहीं सकता. उनका मतलब ये है, they're cutting out roti चावल. But still they're surviving. दाल पी रहे, दाल में कितने carbs हैं? So, 100 grams of dal has about 25-30 grams of carbs.
I am surprised with all this.
She's a little jealous also, let me tell you. I think I feel you on it. It's like I ask him a question about acting and you take her. No, but this is... Have you ever thought of being an actor? Let's digress.
Yeah, come on.
Never?
let's-
चल एक line बोल के दिखा.
But honestly, I would love to act like.
I think you do very well. You're quite a diva.
है ना, एक dialogue लिख के देते
Oh,
हैं.
sorry. I'm just actor. You're quite an actor. You have the makings of an actor. चल इसे एक line करवाते हैं यार. कोई भी एक line. कोई भी एक.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर तुम क्या जानो
This is the most fun show I've done. I mean,
Take two.
नहीं perfect shot था यार. Perfect shot. Well done. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Okay.
अगला award आपके
अगला
लिए.
award आपके लिए fixed है.
कोई मेरे को रोल दे देगा.
You're wearing something which is showing a green light. What is this finger? Is it a...
This
a
is
band?
my smart thing.
Smart.
Yes, smart.
I also wear this.
Yeah.
You should try this. This is the best instrument in the world. For someone like you, though,
Yeah.
it's a no-brainer.
So I just
We'll
got
talk
this.
about that later, yeah.
The thing is, you can't wear it while sleeping. It'll bother you.
I've been wearing it for about 8 months now.
While sleeping?
It doesn't bother. I don't take it off other than
Oh.
taking a shower, that too sometimes. It's supposed to be... You wear it 24/7 and you can wear it in the bath and while swimming. It's a fitness band. Whoop is...
This is a fitness ring.
Yeah, I know. But
And this is very light, very nice, and it's got
try this, you'll... Next
We'll-
episode when you come, you'll say, okay, boss, life changed. Everybody from Virat, Rohit, everybody's wearing this. Because if you're serious about working out and like measure the food, measure the weight, this is what it does to your...
Yeah.
It's amazing. Anyway, before we leave or we let you go, we have this segment called the Keep Going segment. And I told you at the beginning of the show, you guys can ask me questions, but you didn't. You know, you're so, you know, all your
self-centered,
questions you are answering. So anyway, so before we go, there's this lovely segment which again is to inspire the youth, you know, because everybody, life is not a charm, nobody has a charmed life. You could be happy one day, you could be sad one day, you could be upset one day, but you have to keep working, you have to keep going. What is your, starting with you, what is your keep going mantra? What is that one thing that keeps telling you, Akshay, wake up at 4, do these things. काम है, नहीं है, धंधा है, नहीं है. What is that keep going mantra for Akshay Bindra?
Keep going mantra. I've never thought about it, but there must be so many.
Yeah, वो कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपके माइंड में हमेशा कहती है कि no, I'm not going to stop. I'm going to be unstoppable.
Well, you know, my name only means Akshay who never gives up. Firstly.
Nice. Nice.
So I never give up on anything. चाहे वो कुछ भी हो. Like I remember 4 days back I had my exam for a yellow belt. And I've never worked out so much in my life. 6 hours of workout, they broke us without water. People were just dragging themselves to the last line. Even I was. I was like, nahi Akshay.
Yellow belts is how high the hierarchy?
It's first.
Oh, it's the first one?
Yeah. I got my nose broken also.
You just started?
Yeah.
Okay.
Punched me on my face.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So, it's
तो
just...
नाम का तो समझ गए, but दिमाग में कुछ चलता है जब आप when you face a rejection or you gone to an audition and you don't
See,
get a job.
for an actor, rejection is a constant companion.
Correct.
ये तो मैंने मान लिया है. It's okay. I mean, ये नहीं तो कुछ और. Because if you start putting it in the universe ना कि नहीं हो रहा, तो होएगा ही नहीं.
तो यूनिवर्स भी यही आपको मैसेज भेजेगी वापस.
You get what you give. Simple agenda of life. In everything you do, eat, sleep, pray, whatever. आप जैसा दोगे वैसा मिलेगा. So that's my agenda and that keeps me going.
And that's your mantra कि भैया अच्छा पॉजिटिव सोचते रहो और करते रहो.
चाहे गलत कुछ भी हो रहा हो. मर तो नहीं रहे ना, जब मरोगे तो अलग बात है.
Correct.
But you are living.
That's a very healthy point of view.
Yeah,
Very.
you're living there.
Thank you for sharing.
So many people who don't wake up in the morning. Be thankful you got up, man.
Yeah, you have another day.
Yeah, you think.
My first prayer in the morning is always
Thank you. Thank gratitude to everything.
Gratitude.
To the sun, moon, trees around you.
You're quite wise for a young age. Well done, boy. तुम्हारा मंत्र बताओ, एक्टिंग करके भी बता सकते हो.
You know, I recently saw this video wherein someone saying like, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, right? नहीं, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ करना पड़ता है. So, if you want to do something, if you want to achieve something, you have to work towards it. It's the same way with life. You know, if you want something, you have to work towards it. I can get the horse to the pond to drink water, but I cannot make it drink water.
Correct.
Like horse has to drink it himself. Like, so I mean, you have to work towards your goals. You have to work.
Personal mantra also.
It is. So my mantra generally is related to nutrition. It says, eat today for tomorrow.
Eat today for tomorrow. That's you've coined this line.
Which means,
Wow.
which means that if you eat well right from the beginning, you don't have to suffer later in your life. Like we generally, you know, we are like, अरे what has happened? एकदम से last stage पे आके like, oh damn, पहले ही देख लेते तो इतना आगे तक आते ही नहीं. So start right from the beginning. Start teaching your kids.
What is it again? Eat right.
Eat today for tomorrow.
Eat today for tomorrow. Very well said.
Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. And before I wrap it up, another question that we never finished. So you said 6 body types, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the? How do you follow it?
What are the...
So back, chest, shoulder. What are the? quickly.
Back, chest, shoulder, legs, bicep, tricep.
Bicep, tricep.
And then again I repeat.
Yeah. So it doesn't matter Monday, Tuesday. जहाँ पे खत्म हुआ break लेते हो एक दिन?
हाँ एक दिन break एक दिन ले लेता हूँ.
ठीक है.
And massages are very important.
हाँ, you didn't
Every
mention that.
10 days में एक तो कराना ही कराना.
Okay.
For the recovery. वैसे तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें भी बोलने के, but I think we are out of time.
No. Tell us what else? I mean, we're never out of time.
No, it was just like related to like वो sun की बात हो रही थी.
हाँ. First thing in the
Yeah,
morning.
first. बहुत.
I've been told to do breath work. What is that?
Oh my God, it is so good. You know, the mental health you were talking about.
breath work.
I generally, I'm always like here and there. And if you know me, I'm always like here and there and want to be everywhere. Right. And I can relate to someone.
So that Kapal Bharti जो करते हैं वो उसको breath work.
Yeah, so I can relate to someone who's very hyperactive. active. And if you just do like breathing exercise, like deep breaths, maybe 3 to 4 times
In a day?
before you do,
Any
like,
time?
any time of the day. Like I was coming here, take like 2-3 deep breaths, because generally we do shallow breaths. We breathe from chest, not from tongue.
Stomach, yeah.
Yeah. So we need to take deep breaths, and it reconnects us with our body.
Oh.
It does. If you take deep breaths, you're like calmer.
So it's that simple. That's
It is very simple. It makes you calmer. It relaxes you up. Like you just don't have to do anything. Just take
no
like
thoughts.
3 deep breaths.
No
You also do this? You follow?
Of course, see, there's so many times जब आपके thoughts चल रहे हैं. Thoughts is what makes you depressed, anxiety, ये सब हो रहा है. Thoughts ही तो कर रहा है. Thoughts and emotion. How to get rid of them? Focus on your breathing. Supposing you breathe in, imagine the breath is going inside and then coming out. So आपका पूरा ध्यान तो इधर है, तो thought तो कट ही गया ना. So आप
पर मन चंचल होता है, फिर चला जाता है, फिर आपको पकड़ना
वो
पड़ता है.
प्रैक्टिस है, वो आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. और सुबह उठोगे 4 बजे, so that's the ब्रह्म मुहूर्त, where your subconscious mind is in play. वैसे तो वो रनिंग है, बट वो आप जो आप कॉन्शियसली जो सोचते हो पूरा दिन, वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड उस टाइम उसको रियलिटी बनाता है. तो अगर मैं पूरा दिन एंगर में, गुस्से में, मेरे साथ ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, तो 3:34 के बीच में सबकॉन्शियस माइंड विल वेक अप एंड मेक दैट थिंग इनटू रियलिटी. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन ट्रिक योर माइंड ऑल्सो. मेक इट टिल यू फेक इट वाला वो सब भी है.
But you can also do a lot of self-talk, positive talk, so that these negative thoughts does not come only. Oh, if you want to
talk to your
achieve
body
this, if you keep correct, if you want to do something, if you keep saying it like, अरे ये तो होगा ही नहीं, ये तो होगा ही नहीं, वो कभी नहीं होगा. And if you be like, अरे ये तो एक दिन होगा ही होगा.
या इंजरी है, यू कैन टॉक टू योर बॉडी पार्ट्स, हीलिंग होती है, यू कैन गिव सेल्फ हीलिंग. द फूड यू ईट, इट हैज़ मेमोरी इन इट. द वाटर यू ड्रिंक हैज़ मेमोरी इन इट. अगर मैं किसी को पानी दूँ और इट्स अमृत, सपोजिंग इट्स होली वाटर, एंड इफ आई जस्ट कर्स इट, वो बंदे का पेट भी खराब हो सकता है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन माई फेथ.
You're transferring negative energy into somebody else.
तो food has memory. So even when I eat every day, I pray to the food. So give me the maximum nutrition in this.
Wow.
And then I eat it. I have
I think on that note we can end the episode, because I think all the most interesting things we spoke when I was going to sign off. Thanks, Salami, for being here.
Thank
It
you
was
so
indeed
much
a
for
pleasure.
having
I'm
me.
going to catch up with you at the club. I
100%.
want a personalized nutrition plan,
100%.
and I'm not going to pay for it.
Thank
Akshay,
you.
I am very, very inspired and impressed with your knowledge, not only about working out, etc., but
Yeah.
your nutrition, your thoughts on life. What can I say? I don't want to sound condescending, or this is not what Akshay I know or I expected. I called you के good looking सा बंदा आके बॉडी बिल्डिंग की बात कर रहे हैं. इससे सेंसिटिव बातें की, इमोशनल बातें की, बहुत पते की बातें की, बहुत ऐसी चीज़ें जो हमने सुन रखी हैं, लेकिन अपनी ज़िंदगी में कभी कभी अप्लाई नहीं करते. तुम्हारे इन बातों से और तो आपकी बातों से मैं बहुत प्रेरित हुआ हूँ. Seriously, a lot of people keep asking me, sir, how do you, what is your keep going mantra? कभी सोचा नहीं. You have to keep going. That's my only mantra. You have to keep going. There's no other option, right? And you guys have to keep going too. And I pray that you got some insights from this lovely conversation. I will see you next time, of course. But till then, like I always say, be unstoppable. See you soon. Lots of love.